don't be worried. It's just wet. Time for a hair tutorial. I feel like it's been a minute since we've done it, especially in long form. So this is freshly washed hair and we are going to get right into it. Probably seems pretty self-explanatory, but the first thing we are going to do is brush and blow dry. So usually I bring everything forward. My barber cut me a little different this time. I had him take me up a little higher on the sides. So instead of it being a mid fade, it's a little bit more of a high fade, but I still have a lot of length right here on the top. So I'm gonna bring this forward and then brush the back down. And then we're gonna get into blow drying. Okay, so once you're done blow drying it, if you're trying to get a little bit of volume in your roots, it should look something like this. So it's gonna look a little crazy. I like to get volume down here because it helps me achieve the shape that I want to achieve, especially when it's shorter on the sides. But don't worry, we're gonna tame it all with hairspray. Okay, so I'm going to go in using my Mega Freeze It hairspray. This is the hairspray I have been using since I had long hair. I love how it holds. I definitely want to try some new products, but this is what I have used probably for the past, how old am I now? Like 15 years? That's a long time. So before we go in with spraying it, I'm gonna brush it just a little bit. I'm gonna kind of start working my shape the way that I want it. Kind of starting to tame those flyaways, brush this a little bit. I don't brush my hair directly over to the side. I bring it forward and then I like to bring my bangs to the side, and I feel like that's what gives me kind of my signature look. Okay, so we're just gonna go on with a round of hairspray all the way around. You're like, that's a little hairspray for short hair. I like my hair to stay in place. So now what I'm gonna do after I give it that initial spray, it's kind of malleable and it enables me to just use my fingernails to pick it out. When it's freshly cut, I feel like it's a lot easier to style than when it's not freshly cut, because the cut is what gives it the shape. Like if it's not cut right, you're gonna have a hard time giving it the shape that you want to give it. So I love styling it when it is freshly cut because it lets me play with it more easily. So sometimes right here, I'll have some parts that want to stick up a little bit. And so I'll just kind of tame those with hairspray, but make sure that I'm keeping that shape. And then with my bangs, especially since they're a little bit longer right now, I'm gonna go up and over with them. Same with the back. I have like a cowlick right here in my crown, so I try to make sure that that's covered. After making sure that everything is laid down and in place where I want it to be, it looks like it is, I'm gonna give it one final spray, and then ta-da, it is done. See, I've got the piecing right here where I've got my texture nice and laid in the back. Let me know what you think in the comments and if you would give this style a try. Please do not forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Remember, Jesus loves you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.